Welcome to Wellbeing Wednesday, where enchanting poetry lights the way. In verses and rhymes, we'll gently convey how 10 little steps can brighten your day. 1. Stretch with the sun, greet dawn's embrace. Awake and arise, with elegance and grace. In each gentle stretch, a promise is kept, to care for the body where dreams have slept. 2. Breathe deep, breathe true, oceans of air. Inhale and exhale, release every care. 4 breaths to anchor, to center, to be in the heart of the moment, tranquil and free. 3. With thoughts most kind, a garden we grow. 10 seeds of positivity, in sunlight they glow. For every kind thought, like a flower, shall bloom, dispelling the shadows, dispelling the gloom. 4. In silence we seek the guidance above. A prayer, a whisper, on the wings of a dove. Seeking the wisdom that guides like a light, through the passage of day, and the quiet of night. 5. Solutions we weave, in the tapestry of mind. Focusing on paths, leaving problems behind. Each thread a possibility, a choice to behold. Crafting a future in patterns bold. 6. Affirmations we speak, like songs to the soul. Words of empowerment, making us whole. Felt deeply, meant truly, a beacon within. In the echo of affirmations, new beginnings begin. 7. Water's embrace, a cleansing so pure. An internal shower, a rejuvenating cure. With each sip, life flows, in rivers anew. Hydrating, healing, refreshing through. 8. To the rhythm of joy, our hearts beat along. Uplifting music, life's sweetest song. In melodies bright, in harmonies bold. The dance of the spirit, a sight to behold. 9. In the grace of Tai Chi, a balance we find. Movements like poetry, body and mind aligned. With each pose, a story, of peace and of grace. In the flow of the motion, a sacred space. 10. Grow each day, in wisdom and light. With a book or a journal, in the quiet of night. For in each word, a journey, a lesson so dear. In the pursuit of knowledge, the universe near. So embrace these steps, as the morning unfurls, 10 little changes to transform your world. In the art of living, let these verses be a guide, a companion, to set your spirit free. On Wellbeing Wednesday, this poetry we share, to remind one and all, how much we care. For in each verse, a promise, a life more profound, in 10 little steps, where joy is found.